Attorney Dibuco.
Yes. Attorney Buko.
Yes.
Do you agree also that in customs meron TARA system?
Your Honor, I have no personal knowledge.
I'm not asking whether you have personal knowledge or not. My question is very direct. Do you agree with me that there is such a thing as TARA system in customs? Yung customs police inamin na nga eh. Kayo, ano po?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Mr. Jimmy Guban, you've been with customs. Tama po.
Yes, Your Honor.
Meron talagang TARA system, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh. Mr. Taguba,
Yes po, Your Honor.
meron
Meron.
TARA system. Tama?
Yes po.
Kasi naniniwala ako na wala na ang TARA system kung wala na yung 3 o'clock habit ng Bureau of Customs every Friday. Di ba, Major Cascola?
Can you come again, sir? I was just writing. I could not. I wasn't able to catch
Ako,
her.
maniniwala na wala ng TARA system sa customs. Kung mawala na yung 3 o'clock habit ng customs every Friday at 3 p.m.
Sir, actually, sir, the TARA system can happen anytime.
Can happen anytime. Hindi.
Yes, Your Honor.
They divide the loot at 3 p.m. every Friday. Would you agree with that, Mr. Guban?
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a very A1 information.
Mr. Taguba,
Yes po, Your Honor.
lahat ng kausap mo na customs, pagdating ng bago alas 3, umaalis. At pumupunta uli sila sa opisina nila. Di ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Yes. Yun naman, no? Kaya, may TARA system talaga, attorney. Pero, I'm telling you frankly, I've never been to the office of the customs. Malapit na ako mawala rito sa mundo, hindi pa ako nakapasok doon sa opisina ninyo. I have never had any transaction with customs. Pero ito, yung mga information na serbisyo pa ako, up to now, these informations are coming to me. Totoo. Hindi po ba? Sinabi kanina, anong last meeting na si Dan Fernandez, nasa X-ray. Kaya nakakalusot, no? Nandun sa color coding system ninyo. It's yellow, red, at saka green. Tama po? O sagutin niyo ako. Kayo nakakaalam nito. Tama? Yellow, red, at saka green. May super green pa
Sir,
pala.
actually, sir, just to explain, sir, the color system of the Bureau of Customs. In the computerized system of the Bureau of Customs, we have therein what they say as the enforcement screen, where the parameters for selecting green, red, yellow, orange shipments are.
Tanong ko is, meron green, red, and yellow lanes. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Kasi nandun ang sikreto.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kung nakinig po kayo sa sagot ni Mr. Taguba kanina doon sa mga katanungan, pag yellow, red, ang dadaanan mas marami. Pag green lane, mas kokonti yung dadaanan. Di ba, Mr. Taguba? Yun ang sagot mo kanina?
Yes po,
Kahit
Your Honor.
palis-alis ako, nakikinig ako doon sa kabila kasi nandun yung TV.
Yes po.
Yun ang sagot mo kanina eh.
Opo.
Di ba? Na kung minsan yung green lane, 3 lang ang dadaanan. Hindi na dadaanan yung entry processing unit at saka assessment division.
Tama po.
Tama? Pero kung yellow at saka red, dadaanan yun.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Yes, nandun ang kuwan sekreto. Dahil kung gustong palusutin ng mga taga-customs, idadaan sa green lane o kaya super green lane. Tama, Mr. Chair? Yes. Ayun naman, oo. Kaya, legal man o illegal, may TARA. Tama?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Yeah. Kasi gusto ng customs na lahat may TARA.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Now, that brings us to the issue, maski lahat ng mga kagamitan mga agricultural products, tumataas ang presyo dahil dyan sa tara system na yan. Kasi ipapasa lahat dun sa hanggang sa consumer eh. Di ba? Minention kanina ni Mr. Guban, yung rice. Kaya nga mataas ang presyo ng rice eh dahil pinapasa lahat. Kung saan dadaanan yon from Vietnam, halimbawa, pagdating dito sa customs, may illegal fees, may legal fees. Tara yun eh, yung illegal. Tapos, ipapasa naman ng mga importer doon sa wholesaler. Yung wholesaler, ipapasa sa retailer. Down the line. Kaya, kung hindi maalis yung sistema na yan, ay yung presyo pa rin nandyan. Now, would you agree with that, Mr. Guban and Mr. Taguba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Major Cascolan, would you agree with that also?
I agree, Your Honor.
You agree. Attorney, you agree with that? Yes, kasi logical yung aking sinasabi, di ba, Attorney? Tama.
Your Honor, Your Honor, I cannot. No personal knowledge.
Alin?
I have no personal knowledge.
You have been with customs for how many years? Huh?
5, Your Honor.
I've never been with customs and I know this. Attorney, you want me to cite you in contempt?
No, Your Honor.
Oh, do you answer me properly? Do you know that?
Your Honor, I've heard of that, Your Honor, but personally, Your Honor, I'm with,
So personally, you do not know, but you have heard of it.
yes, Your Honor.
Now, if you two, Major Cascolan and Attorney Boko, have heard of it, what are you doing about it?
Your Honor, if somebody will complain, Your Honor, there is an investigation that is being
So if
conducted.
there's no complainant, you wouldn't move. You wouldn't do anything. Is that what you're trying to tell this committee?
Not necessarily, Your Honor.
I beg your pardon?
Not necessarily, Your Honor.
Not necessarily. So dapat may gagawin kayo.
Yes, Your Honor. We,
Kasi
yes, Your Honor.
organisasyon yun na yan
Yes,
eh.
Your Honor.
Di ba? And yet you cannot tell me that you cannot or you're doing something about it.
Your Honor, we are doing something about it.
Like what?
Your Honor, we are constantly reviewing our policies, Your Honor, our systems, Your Honor, to
Attorney,
minimize that.
sabi ko nga eh, malapit na akong mawala dito sa mundo. Hanggang ngayon, yung pa rin ang report na natatanggap ko. Even when I was still in the service. Di ba? It's still the same. The same. Si Mr. Taguba nga 6 years na nawala sa custom. So he does not know what changes happen. Pero sa tingin ko, sa nakikita niya at naririnig ngayon, walang pagbabago. Di ba, Mr. Taguba? Yes. Wala. Yun lang po ang aking katanungan, Mr. Chair, kasi
Mr. Chair.
it's related